All right, so there's our locking lug right here. That's what I'm trying to get off. Hey y'all, welcome back to the journey. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Share us out to your friends. It only helps us grow. And hey, you might learn something today. But disclaimer, I am not a professional mechanic, nor am I a thief or any of those things. And if you're doing this under your own accord, not that I'm telling you to go do this. And you should only be doing this on your own vehicle in the event that you need to take off the lug and you no longer have the key. So if you're wanting to know what I'm talking about, it's a locking lug that looks somewhat like that, and you don't have a way of taking it off other than what I'm about to show you. So let's go check it out. All right, so there's our locking lug right here. That's what I'm trying to get off. And just remember that disclaimer that I told y'all, that only do this on your own vehicle when you need to. So this is a Jeep, obviously. So it has the Mopar lugs. So depending on your brand, it's going to be a little bit different. But most of these locking lugs, it's going to have a ring. It's like a safety ring that's right here. And sometimes you can use, so for this is a 7/8 to try to get that hammered on to kind of mar that ring a little bit. Kind of like this. You see how it starts to mar it? But sometimes it'll slip, and then if that starts to happen, then you got to cut it off and then go to a different socket. So, but I'm going to try this one first, see if I can get this one off. If I can't, then I need to cut the ring off and then go to a different socket and then try to get it off that way. If that still doesn't work, then at that point, I might as well just go to a welder and weld a socket to that. That way I can get it off that way, but hopefully we won't have to get that far. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go ahead and put you guys to the other side. Go ahead and hammer that in. And you can see that's what's happening. That ring just starts to turn. And that's basically the whole point of that ring. But sometimes you can crimp that on there enough. I might even try it a second time. Because if you can get that crimped on there enough to where it doesn't turn. Alright, let's see. Nope, didn't turn. So at this point, get you a cold chisel, come in here and just start cutting that ring off. goes. Doesn't help that the screwdriver is broke. Just need to bend it enough to where you can get that come off the front. Think. There we go. So now you take, so for me it's a 21 millimeter. Now you take that. So this ring here is actually a little bit smaller than the ring in the back. So you're gonna take this, hit this one on until it bottoms out. Just like that, you'll hear it. And then you go nice and slow. All right, this one's not gonna work. All right. So I can either, one, try to go find a 20 millimeter to go on to see if I can't get that to go. It'd probably help if I sprayed all these with a release agent first. Otherwise, I really do not want to break out a welder. So let me go see if I can find another socket. Like that. So this one actually went with, instead of a 12 point, with a 6 point, and this was a 7/8. So now to get that out of there, good old trusty broken screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna have to find a. So I'm gonna use that, but I need to find some harder ground to knock that out, because right now I'm in mud. All right, folks, there you go. So like I said, make sure you're only doing this on your own lugs, your own vehicle. Don't be going out and doing stuff. For one, it's pretty loud. It is a little bit labor intensive. Make sure you're taking your safety precautions, using safety and eye protection. And yeah, just take your time with it. But I got 2 of them off thus far as I'm recording this. I don't think I need to show you the rest of the tires. I already did the spare and one of the rear tires. And now I'm going to go through and do the rest. But there you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Getting lugs off the hard way. All right, y'all. Definitely appreciate you. I know this one's going to be nice, short, and sweet, and to the point. And that's, hey, it is what it is. It's really not a hard task if you have the right tools. So make sure you're thinking of veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, y'all.